Welcome to Sri Saraswati Vidyalayam News Bulletin. I am Daksha, a 6th standard student of this school. First of all, let us have a gander at the international news. Morrison says Australia to exceed 2030 emissions target. Australia will commit to a target of net zero carbon emission by 2050 at the Glasgow conference. Australia's Prime Minister Scott Morrison said on October 26 that the country is set to reduce emission by 35% below 2005 levels by 2030. US issues vaccines-based entry rules for air travel. Most adults who are not US citizens or permanent residents and want to fly to the country on or after November 8 will have to be fully vaccinated, as per a new presidential proclamation signed by US President Joe Biden on Monday. Now, let us move on to the national news. Defense exports have grown by 334% in the last 5 years, says Rajnath. With collaborative efforts of entities from all over the world, the defense export have grown by 334% in the last 5 years, and India now is exporting to more than 75 countries. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh said on Monday, appreciating the efforts of the industry and thanking the foreign aerospace and defense companies. Culture Ministry launches podcast on freedom movement. Culture Minister G. Kishan Reddy on Monday launched a podcast series on the freedom struggle as a part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration of 75th year of independence next year. The series Zara Yad Karo Kurbani would focus on the people and movement that contributed to the freedom struggle, some of which have not found a place in conventional freedom movement storyline. Now, let us switch over to the state news. Forest Department preparing data bank on sandalwood trees. For the first time, the Forest Department is preparing a data bank on sandalwood trees in private land and those owned by institutions and government departments. A geotag will be prepared and it will help in identifying a particular tree, its location and physical details, and it will be digested to keep the data on the records of forest and revenue departments. Kerala Child Rights Panel issues guidelines ahead of school reopening. Kerala State Commission for Protection of Child Rights held a meeting on Monday to discuss ensuring the safety and security of children at schools. Now over to the school news.
Today, we would like to introduce one of our child prodigies. She is none other than Naveda Lakshmi BR from 1st standard. She bagged India Book of World Records. Fastest kid to create magic square with random numbers. The record for being the fastest to create a magic square with random numbers was set by Naveda Lakshmi BR of Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. She created a 15x15 magic square in 13 minutes and 36 seconds at the age of 6 years, 2 months and 21 days, as confirmed on 7th September 2021. On behalf of school and Samiti, we congratulate her and pray for her to become more and more successful in future.
T.K. Madhavan. T.K. Madhavan was an Indian social reformer, journalist and revolutionary who was involved with the Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana. He came from Kerala and led the struggle against untouchability, which was known as Vaikam Satyagraha. In 1917, he took over the daily newspaper Deshabhimani. He was involved in the temple entry movement, which fought for the entry of oppressed and low-caste communities to the temples of Kerala. He fought for the right of temple entry for all. In 1918, Madhavan was elected to the Sri Moolam Praja Sabha, a legislative council of Travancore. In 1924, Vaikam Satyagraha was started under the leadership of Madhavan, K. Kelappan and K.P. Keshava Menon to get the right of oppressed class of people to travel through the road in front of Vaikam Mahadeva temple. Madhavan and Keshava Menon were arrested and imprisoned. Finally, The Maharaja of Travancore agreed to open the road to all classes of people, and the Vaikam Satyagraha was a great success. However, he had to continue his struggle for the temple entry. In 1927, he was made organizing secretary of the SNDP Yogam. T.K. Madhavan formed a voluntary organization, Dharma Bhata Sangam, to strengthen the activities of SNDP Yogam. It was T.K. Madhavan who wrote the biography of Dr. Palpu.
Namaste, I am Anju Bayam. Today I am going to say something about the English alphabet. The term English alphabet is correct, but the term English alphabet is wrong, because there is only one such. Now let me switch over to the first letter A. When A comes at the initial position, it is pronounced as A. Example, Abex agriculture. When A comes at the medial position, it is pronounced as A. Example, I have a car, I have a sister. BCD. Example, dog democracy. EFGH. Example, hate huge. K. Example, king kind. LMNO. Example, go no. PQRSTUVW. Example, what water. XYZ. Example, zebra grassy. Namaste.
Namaste, I am Advaidarvi in 3rd standard. Animals and young-ones. Cat, kitchen. Dog, puppy. Hen, chick. Duck, duckling. Cow, calf. Pig, piglet. Sheep, lamb. Goat, cat. Horse, colt. Buffalo, horse. Rabbit, kid. Tiger, cub. Kangaroo, joy. Frog, tadpole. Elephant, calf. Namaste.